Meet Cassie. She owns an established medium-sized event planning company. Cassie loves her corporate clients, and they love her too. Business is good, but it just isn't booming like it could be. She spends hundreds of hours each year writing client proposals. Each proposal must be customized and well-designed to stand a chance of landing the job. Proposal writing is a huge drain on Cassie's time and her company's money. Cassie must write these time-consuming proposals to win new business. But with clients to deal with, events to plan, and proposals to write, Cassie feels like she's always chasing her tail. She just has no time to scale her business. Over the years, Cassie has grown to accept that this is just part of an event planner's job. She's not even aware that she's wasting thousands of dollars every month. There has to be a better way. Perfect Event Proposals is the first proposal creation, management, and tracking platform designed especially for event planners. It minimizes the time it takes to respond to RFPs and create professionally designed, web-based proposals that win more clients. Perfect Event Proposals has 3 amazing features that have helped to change Cassie's life. The Proposal Library. Cassie can now upload and store all her proposals and images in one place. She can search through all these files at the same time with easy-to-use tags and search filters. Now there's no need to open up 12 different Word files and search through them all one by one looking for the parts she needs. Perfect Event Proposals focuses on stunning design. Cassie seamlessly adds slideshows and video from her library to professionally designed, fully customizable templates without spending hours messing around. When she's finished, Cassie now sends the proposal to her client as a URL link. This has some awesome advantages for her. Cassie can deactivate the link whenever she wants, safeguarding her ideas. No more problems sending large file sizes, saving time and stress. But best of all, Cassie can track what happens once her proposal has been sent. She receives analytics giving her valuable feedback and helping her improve future proposals. On top of all this, her proposals now have a wow factor, making them stand out in the crowd and giving her company a competitive edge. Cassie saved a total of 7 hours writing her last proposal, and with her team writing about 10 proposals a month, her company will save about 70 man-hours per month. This valuable time could be spent bringing in more business or working on events and billing clients. Her business is growing, and she spends more time doing what she enjoys, planning events, not just writing proposals. Now Cassie has the time and money to scale her business and meet her long-term goals more easily. Cassie finally feels like she's moving forward and not just treading water. You can too. Visit us at www.perfecteventproposals.com for more information on how your company can save thousands of dollars every month.